Hey, good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna cook or bake shepherd's pie. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need cheese, milk, um, corn, black pepper, soy sauce, peas, uh, potatoes, meat or ground beef, onions, bell pepper, and then garlic. Okay, to cook this meat first. And then next, I'm going to add soy sauce. Okay. Black pepper. Okay, we let the meat cook first. After the meat is cooked, so we're gonna add saute the garlic. And then the onions. By the way, guys, I forgot uh the one of two of the ingredients, butter and carrots. I forgot to see the butter and carrots, but we need butter and carrots also. Okay. And then this one. The black paper, I mean the red, the bell pepper. Red. And then we're gonna mix it together. And then I'm gonna put the carrots. Okay, guys, carrots. And then the peas, guys, okay? The water is boiled already, so I'm gonna put add the potatoes. Mm. Okay, that one. And we'll wait until it will be cooked. Okay. Okay, guys, it's done. The meat is cooked already. So, we're gonna assemble potatoes are cooked already. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. And then the salt also. I'm gonna add salt while the potatoes are hot. guys. Hmm. Add a little more salt. Mm-hmm. Mm. And that it's not, it's still blank. Okay. So now, okay, I already put butter so that it won't stick. Okay, first I'm gonna have just a little one of this. For maybe 30 to 45 minutes. Okay guys, next I'm going to the ground pork. Okay, I'm going to add the ground pork. I mean the ground beef. I'm going to add the ground beef here. Corn. Okay, next. And then we're gonna add cheese. This is optional only. If you don't want to put cheese, okay, don't put cheese. But I love there's a cheese. And the next, guys, the potatoes. More cheese. Ay, it's cheesy. Okay, guys, so we're gonna bake this one. Okay, look at that one, guys. It's done. So we're gonna bake this one for 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 to 45 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys. So that's it. It's already done. Yee, look at that one. Okay, it's very yummy. Shepherd pie, it's done. So I'm gonna test, guys. Guys. Okay. Also, here, the bottom, there's a potatoes also. So it's very, you can eat this one for lunch or dinner because there's already a meat, and then the potatoes. Okay. Okay, it's super yummy, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna test. Mm. Oh, it's very hot. And there's a lot of cheese. You can feel the cheese, guys, when you eat. See, and very yummy, guys. I taste only a little because I'm in diet, guys. Okay? So, and it's very yummy. If I'm not in a diet, I can eat so much. So, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Jack, to my Instagram, D_bro_Jack, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.